In SolidWorks, sometimes you can end up with multiple bodies or entities in your sheet metal part, and you want them to be a single body or entity. For example, here I have a sheet metal part, and the main features are a base flange and also a swept flange, and I ended up with two separate bodies in this situation. Also, if you take a look in the flat pattern folder, I've got two different flat patterns listed underneath there. And so in that situation, you can try using the combine command in order to unite them. If you go to the insert drop down menu and then to the features command, down here we have the combine command. This opens up the property manager. Your options are add, subtract, or common, which is the intersection of the two. I want to add these together. So I will left click on the first one and then left click on the second one. And be aware that this won't always work. You have to make sure that there are no gaps between the entities. For example, sometimes you might only have a common edge between them or a little sliver. In that situation, you'll have to do something to alleviate the situation. But in this case, I will hit the check mark. And now I only have a single flat pattern listed and a single entity underneath my cut list.